Hi, I'm Deb Perelman, and I run the recipe website smittenkitchen.com. I'm working with the New York City Department of Sanitation to help spread awareness about feeding NYC. So many people are suffering right now because of COVID-19, but no New Yorker should go hungry because of this crisis. Feeding NYC is helping feed hungry New Yorkers, and I'll include the link at the end of this so you can find more information on your nearest food donation location. But in the meantime, I know many of us are having to think more creatively during this time, especially since many of us, myself included, have kids to feed. This dish I want to show you is one of my favorites to make with the kids because it's quick, it uses frozen vegetables, and because it's draped in melted cheese, it's usually an easy win around here. To start, I usually use a bag of frozen broccoli. It's super easy, it keeps forever. You want to cook it according to the package instructions. You could either do it in the microwave or in a steamer, but I try to cook it a minute or two less because I want to keep a little crunch in it. From there, you want to chop it really small, and I like to saute it in olive oil with a good amount of garlic, salt, and red pepper flakes. You can use mild ones if you have them so you don't scare off small children. Cook it together for a couple minutes. You just want to get everything seasoned and infused, and then I scoop it into a bowl and I finish it with some lemon zest, lemon juice, and if you have it, some sharp pecorino or Parmesan cheese are really nice here. From there, I personally like to keep old bread in the freezer. Anytime we have a few slices left from a dish or the end of a loaf, I always put it in the freezer, and it's a great time to pull it out. You want to toast it pretty crisp. You don't want it to get too soggy under the broccoli. And from there, you want to scoop the broccoli onto the toast. By the way, you could eat this directly from the bowl and it would be crazy delicious, but for the sake of turning it into more of a kid-friendly meal, I scoop on basically as much as I can fit on a single toast. Did I do it? I almost did it. Then you want to drape it with a slice of what I would call sandwich cheese, whatever you've got around, but this is provolone, which goes really nicely with these ingredients. Put it on a tray, run it under a broiler, and when it comes out, it looks like this, which is to say, do you want to try it? Okay, you want to see it? Okay, I mean, I can't promise you a 4-year-old's gonna, you want to come try it? Come on. You want to see? You like broccoli and you like cheese. We'll see. Anyway, it is often a hit with the small people we keep around to feed. You want to try it? No? You're just gonna lick it? Okay. We know that this is a really unusual time and you want to cover things up. And we know that a lot of people are going through really difficult circumstances at the moment. If you need food assistance, please know that the City of New York City will help. Go to nyc.gov/getfood for more information.